Hiya! Hiya! She cute doggy. Oh, hello! Oh, you're tiny. Hey.
They're a bit shy, really.
Huh?
Aye.
Alright.
Just had a haircut.
Oh, that's what you need. No, Milo does that as well with the paw. Alright, see
you later, bye.
He's like,
Nichols does that as well.
Yeah, I know he does.
He sits there and he goes like this.
Whoa. Right, so get off the bus in town, walk to the train station, get our tickets.
When did I put a black t-shirt on?
I don't know.
I swear I was wearing a white t-shirt.
Go to Mackie's and get the train home.
Home? Spend another fucking fortnight in Dundee.
Oh, that's where we get Tarkan into sleepers.
Sleepers, okay. Get your 90 for fucky for $19.99.
And people, because it's half off today, it means we can get like £50 orders for like half price. Which is hilarious. Schlag.
Son, are you alright? Get a little head fix. Come on, be in the presence of Aaron Ruar. Want to get a selfie? It'll be your thumbnail. Thank you. That'll be $5 now. That'll be good. It's alright, son. It's only a shower. Calm yourself. Calm yourself. Shower. I act like that when I've got showers as well. The anxiety.
Yeah.
The anxiety and just the sensory issues of getting a shower. It's like I'll sit there in the shower and I'll be like this. Ah! Ah! Are you okay, my son? Wow, look at the size difference now. I've shrunk again. Look at that. I have literally shrunk again. What's happening with me? Oh, wait a second.
Yeah, I'm standing on an upper level.
Oh, there we go. Now it's still shrunk.
My jumper looks so white in your camera.
It's a good hoodie.
It looks
Or
really,
jumper,
really
whatever you
light.
want to call it.
And when it's against the
All
sun,
I've got is my student vlogs hoodie. What? Oh god,
you
I
missed
can't.
it.
Aye.
Skippy running about like 5-10 miles.
Welcome to the bus journey. The one from North Merton to town. Then we've got to walk from the town to the the train station. And then from the train station we've got to get a train to Dundee, where we'll go to something street McDonald's, what's it called? It's like Friar Street or Freedom or...
There's that song.
Hold on. It's called Reform Street is the name. McDonald's is the game.
No.
What? McDonald's is the game.
No. The train is the game.
And once we get off the train, McDonald's the game.
McDonald's is the reward.
The war?
The reward.
Oh right, okay. I was like, no, I've got a mask on and the bus is noisy. I can hardly hear myself speak. It's moving my ears to a point where it's an awkward place to listen.
That's what you're going to do to me as well. As soon as you did finish your fucking flooring.
No, I'd probably just do what I've always done. Hoover it up, then shite it out.
You don't eat McFlurries.
I do. I don't order them.
He's left like 4 ones this week and you haven't eaten any of them.
I know, because I've been chunky. I've been extremely full.
So have I, that's why I'm taking it. And I've been extremely full without eating anything.
Alright, well, I hope you lads get something decent to eat anyway.
Good.
Yes. As long as you get something to eat, that's fine.
Look at his face. Like, what is this? They're laughing. It's a nervous thing.
Exactly. Finally, someone understands it's a nervous thing. It doesn't mean there's anything behind it.
I know, after you get nervous, every single time someone stares at me, I get nervous. Oh Lord.
You can't see this on camera, but he's behind the camera going.
He's sitting there like
Not with the eyebrows bit, but I'm sitting going, you know, eyes staring.
He's sitting there getting the town ready like this.
Shut up. Very familiar, in fact, quite majorly.
Quite majorly, yeah. I was about to say. Same cases.
Yeah.
Glad that you copied me. Such a smart move.
My case is fucked.
Is it?
Every time you try and spin the ring on the thing, it falls off.
Mine's I've had that for like what, a couple of months now.
The one that Ben gave me before was okay, but this one's just like cheap.
The one that my gran got me, not the one before that.
Uh-huh.
That was one that literally opened up.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, it was like
the little rubber one. Yeah, I remember that.
that was good.
It was.
But then that broke when I dropped it once.
Of course, and it never spun either,
Yeah.
so you had to be in vertical mode or put your middle finger up at everybody.
So, see you when we're on the train. There you go, son.
Would you believe it?
What?
Tarkan's vlog was filmed on an S10. Brilliant. Well, it was.
This is an S10 undercarriage version.
This is his vlog, son.
That's yours.
It's his vlog.
No, I'll send you the food.
No, son.
Yes.
Use it for your vlog.
No.
We're giving this boy a vlog today.
No.
Get Andrew's corn for today.
No.
Oh, Andrew, son, what you... Wait for it.
Gladly, mister.
Yeah, okay, that's fair. But still in a minute.
And I'll send you yours, Master. Talking.
Unique at your Armstrong charm.
Yeah, fair.
Bring your face.
I just kept mine hooked over one
This
of you.
carriage, you mean?
No, there you
Oh
are.
lordy.
That's a cool balcony.
Andrew, by the way, we have to send each other these clips because I'll have one side and you'll have the other. Cool.
What are we doing clips?
You'll get them though.
I'll send you yours, Master.
Right, let's get this then now.
They just break twice.
Yeah, I felt that. I was like,
I think they're testing it.
yeah, hopefully. We go over the bridge and there's something wrong, you have to test.
Oh Jesus, Andrew got the cool city view.
Yeah, I got the other bit. Oh, look at that. There's actually
Raining.
sand in there.
Joby.
I just seen a ton of in the water.
Oh, God, here was a side you never get to see.
Pardon me, I've got a handle by myself.
Debris in the river. That tide is very low.
Andrew footage end in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.